Hello.
Hello.
Hold my hand. And now push down or drag. There we go.
Okay.
Oh.
If you see something in there that might be like small signs, like rectangular signs you would post somewhere, that's not the point of this unboxing.
Okay.
That's the thing that's not the point of the unboxing.
Yes. Yes.
It was warm though.
Look, batteries. Look. Look. Look
Here,
at
help
the.
me. Okay, so that arrow points up. So do you want to rip? All right, here. Do you want to pull my hand? Our strength combined.
Go up.
Are you supposed to rip it or just pull a tab out from somewhere?
No, it's perforated.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Yes.
Here, help me. Oh! You did not. You. Oh. You did.
Look.
I Venmo you.
What do you think? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What do we have? As you can see, what
Daddy,
do we
Do you
have?
remember my computer wasn't working?
But he got a new one.
Yeah. How did you know that's a computer? Okay, now I'm amazed that she knows that. Is it? Well, how do you know this is a computer?
Because it's so amazing.
It's so amazing.
What do you
And
think?
what's that?
An apple.
An apple. That's my girl.
Thank you.
My Daisy girl.
Oh, sorry, I was lose it.
Oh, where are you going? Oh, it's time for huggies.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, so pick it up and describe what you have.
Look at her.
Oh, can you be a robot again for a moment? Beep boop beep. You're
Now the dog is.
I got a computer from the fruit company.
That's right, from Forrest Gump's Fruit Company, and it is.
And
What,
my other one.
what does it say on the bottom? What are the words right there? Hold on.
Oh,
MacBook NEO, and what color is this?
citrus.
Citrus. I think we should call it Yellow Keanu, because Keanu Reeves was Neo.
Let's just call him Keanu.
Yeah, that's your Keanu. What do you think?
Yeah, I like Keanu.
You have a Keanu?
Actually, it's actually John Wick
Mm-hmm.
because if you hurt my puppies, I'm gonna send them to you.
That's right.
I mean, you step on their paw.
Okay, so we're gonna.
You take their treat. You taunt them with the toy.
So
Get you.
so
By
if it-
him, I mean me. I'm with you.
yeah. Okay, so official name for it is going to be John Wick or Neo or Keanu.
How about Keanu is his nickname, but John Wick is his formal name.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so John Keanu Wick. All right, that's what it'll say. I'll make
JKW.
yeah, I'll make it say that. And
Ah, that's cool.
right, and so please describe what you know about this device.
It's little, it's thin, it's green, and it's gonna work unlike my other thing.
That's right.
Like 10 years old. 'Cause
Right.
You know what? We're coming up on our 10-year anniversary. Is this it? Oh, thank you. Anniversary.
Something like that. Anyway, this is the one with the 512 gigabytes of storage and a fingerprint, thumbprint ready thing. And I will do the necessary things that the man at the fruit company store described so that we can get everything linked on the extended service plan thing for up to 3 items. So I'll make that happen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I told you you're supposed to tell me when it's a good deal and we get it and we go 50-50s.
Okay, well, it was a good deal.
Okay, we're going 50. It's a takedown? I
Take
don't think you're ready for a takedown.
Mishti, what do you think about Mommy's new computer?
It's so cool.
It is.
What do you think about Daddy getting it for me?
Sweet.
I know.
Oh.
All the Oreos he eats with you.
All right. All right, so both of you, I need a count, a wave, and...
Okay, bye.
Hold on. Ecto launch.